This network-attached storage enclosure offers 8 hot swap bays for mixed 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch drives, plus an extra internal 2.5-inch slot, making it ideal for dense home or small office storage builds. The chassis supports both micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, giving builders flexibility to choose between compact low-power boards and more feature-rich platforms. Its reliance on a flex form factor power supply keeps the case footprint relatively small while still allowing for reliable, efficient power delivery to multiple hard drives. A full-height expansion slot makes it possible to add a dedicated network interface card or video card, which is especially useful for advanced home lab or media server setups. The front panel includes a modern, high-speed Universal Serial Bus 3.0 port, which is handy for quick external backups or transferring large media files directly to the server. 4 pre-installed 8-centimeter fans provide strong, evenly distributed airflow across the drive bays, helping keep disks cool and extending their long-term reliability.